Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I'm your host P Fire, aka P equals MC squared, aka P didn't start the fire. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what it is. So without further ado, let's get into today's piece. I'ma be right back. I said right back. And I'm back. Oh shit. Come on, my people. Little bit of turtle green, olive green. What are we saying? Can you see the scene? Oh shit. Anyway, today we have this nice crew neck. Look, let me get close so you can feel the feelness of it. We have this nice crew neck from Stone Island. Shall we get into it, gang? Let's get into it. As we like to do, let's start at the cuff edges. So we've got these nice little cuffs here, which are ribbed, you know, thin ribbed, and just really, really soft to the touch. This is 100% cotton, really super dope. Obviously, you have the ribbed cuff edges, and as we do, we like to see what kind of room we have, and we have enough room. Equilibrium is a beautiful thing. I'm about to do some Russian dancing. I don't know if it's Russian, so I do apologize, but you know what I'm talking about. Anywho, enough of that. Really nice, and we got this nice fetching olive military green that we'd call it. Let me step back. So of course you got the little rib things going down there. I say rib things, I don't even know what these are. You just got those nice little demarcation of the shoulder area. I've just made that up, but yeah, I'm just gonna turn around so you can have a little look. Boom, boom, boom. As you can see, it goes to the favorite. Let me just show. My waist is there, t-shirt, and as you can see, it just goes right there. It's a nice little length of the waistage. You do that, it sort of sits on the waist, very nice. And for the eagle eye amongst you, you're thinking, where's the badge? Where's the badge? I can't see a badge. Well, if you look closer, gang, if you look closer, you will see a badge. As you can see, you have a nice fetching military green badge. So that will tell you that this is a ghost piece. And as you know, the ghost piece, they follow the same monochromatic, is that the right word? I'm going to say monochromatic color scheme against the garment. So if it's green, the badge will be green. If it's blue, the badge will be blue. If it's white, the badge will be white. What have I missed? I think that's about it. Those are the three colors. Oh no, there's a red ghost as well, but yeah, that's getting into deep things. But yeah, really, really love this badge. Beautiful military green ghost badge. This is my first military green badge. I did have a previous ghost piece, but it didn't come with a badge. It came with a normal badge, and that was kind of slightly annoying. I copped it from the sale shop, yeah, and I had to wait till I got another ghost piece of the same color so that I got the badge. Speaking of which, I might as well straight away go into the next piece and yeah, show you what that next piece that I am talking about is. Give me a few seconds and I will see you on the flip side. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What's good, people? As you can see, I've got this fetching, beautiful, military green, and I'm saying it over the sirens. Military green. Look at that. Just like your geography teacher's blazer. You know what I mean? Look at the knit on that. Look at the knit. Look how close and tightly woven that is. Look at that. Let me step back just so you can see it in all its glory. So as you can see, this comes down to just past the waist, as you can see right there, just past the waist. A bit longer than usual, but as it's a knit, it's kind of cool. Let me zip it up so you can see where I go. So of course you have your usual YKK zipper right there, nothing special. Little zip strip is covered by the extra knittage, as you can see, so the zip is kind of camouflaged and hidden, which is perfect because it is a ghost piece. Cuff edges, got a bit more room than usual. This is a large, by the way. I could go a medium on this, but you know, a nice large. It's not tight, it's just really nice. And as you can see, look at the ribbon on that. Look at that. It's just so fucking well made. Like, that's one thing about Stone Island knits. They do take their time, you know, they cost a fucking arm and a leg, but Jesus Christ are they fucking nice. Like I said, you got your little geography teacher arm, elbow patch right there, you know what I'm saying? You got a matching sort of piece right there, which goes all the way down to there, and then there's a little break, and then it picks it up again at the elbow all the way down to the wrist. I'll just give you a little turn around so you can see what I've got on there. Little look. And of course, as you can see, Ghost badge, nothing too crazy, you know, nice and sexy. Ghost badge in that same monochromatic pattern, scheme, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, just a really, really dope piece, guys. Like, I really love this. Like I said, I picked this up from the sale shop, so I got a super crazy bargain. I don't know how much these might cost on a Nbokt, maybe $4.55 or something. I didn't even pay half price, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm not gonna say what I paid, because you know we don't like to talk price unless you asking. But yeah, I didn't even pay half price of a monkey, which is 500. So you get me, I got this for a bargain because they didn't have this badge here, so I had to take this off another piece. But yeah, super dope. Shout out to the guys at the sale shop, as always. You know, look after man, and you know, yeah, just cool people, like I always say. Yeah, man. So, oh, look at me, I'm getting carried away. You know, we do like a pocket here, so left hand side pocket, right hand side pocket, quite spacious and roomy. You could actually put a small apartment in either side of the pocket, or if you wanted a couple of your motor vehicles, maybe a sort of speedboat. You won't get a canoe in it because they're not long enough, but they are super deep, so your bars of gold, your bars of silver definitely can ride in this. But because it's a knit, you don't really want to put them there because it will weigh you down too much, you know what I mean? But if you did need to, these are more than appropriate, adequate vestibules for said items which I just mentioned. It's so great to have a command of the English language, doesn't one think? Yes, I think so. Anywho, but yeah, that is the piece, man. Beautiful. Get close, see the knit, see Wagwan. You know what I mean? Let me get you closer just so you can see. Look at that. Knit is on fucking fleek. Pardon mon français, but damn, homie. In high school, this knit was definitely the man, homie. Damn. Anyway, so that is that, guys. Today I have on a Nike t-shirt, as you can see right there. Boom, 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 boom. A nice Nike t-shirt with the sort of sizing, which I think is a dope touch. I got this at a Nike event at one time, but yeah, super dope. And I have on some tracksuit bottoms, which I'm going to show in another bit right now. It's stopped raining, so I'm going to go outside. I say outside, go away from under the cover, pardon me, and record the tracksuit bottoms, and yeah, let's talk about it at another time, guys. So yeah, let me know what you think of this piece and the piece previously. Obviously, two military green ghost pieces, different styles, but still within the old ghostage family. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below, and yeah, let's have a little conversation. Alright guys, you already know what this is. This has been a nice bit of kit there. I've been your host P Fire, aka Fins the Fireboy, aka P, how many aliases do you have, aka never enough aliases for one man until one man is dead in the ground. I said it, this has been Once We Are Not The Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. You guys have been beautiful. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always guys, I love you guys. Mad shout out to you lot. Yeah, as always, it's a pleasure doing this for you guys, and yeah, let me know your feelings. Alright, peace.